Baka mag-iyakan pa kayong dalawa. Kasha? Yung dalawa ay yung isa sa loob na. Isa pa. Yan, pwede na yan, Sel. Ay, Sel. Birds. Kala ko kanina, disgrasya kami, birds. Oh. Yung pala naglanded na. Ang lakas kasi. Ang lakas kasi sumigaw nung babae. Let's go home, guys. Let's learn. Let's read this. Kung wala pa si Blizzard, gagawin natin. Mag-rin. Ay, grabe ang ulo. Tangkad eh. Oh, picture kayo muna ng dalawa. Yeah, pa-left.
Sobrang pag.
May pabig. Ano? May pahanda si Mayor. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Yorme. We're here! Ayan, where are you? Where do you think? Lamig. Here. So may nikapit bahay. Ito nakikita ko sa ano. Parang Montreal na to. Dito pwede. Ito port. 175 per hour. In 100 meters.
Bumili tayo ngayon, okay?
Hello! Smile! Ito, yung mga iskinitang parang may mga binubugbog. Yan. Dito yung mga movies na may parang binubugbog, di ba? Yan. Nag-aagawad ba kayo? Hello, we're leaving today. We're going to the Mongkok. Alright, let's go. The panahon is maganda over here. So we're leaving, going to Mongkok. This is where they live. That's railroad crossing on the other side. There's a River Valley Middle School. And this is it. Uy! Bukas yung kotse nila. Wait a minute. Binuksan na ni Bernie. Lagay na niya yung mga tubig. Okay. Alright. See you later. Okay, Bernie's throwing the garbage. Life here. Let's go. Ganda ng araw. Can you see? Ganda ng panahon. We're leaving. See you, Moncton. Yan. Doon nagbabasketball si Bernie. Meron ngayon nagbabasketball. Okay. So, sino ba yung mga yan? Mga students, I think. See? Yes, they're playing. Wow. Come on, atras muna kayo, mapuputikan yung sapatos ko. Adjust. Alright. Some more. Yes. Okay, where are we going?
Going to Moncton.
Mongkok? Lagi ko nasasabi Mongkok, Moncton pala. Okay, we're going to Moncton. See you, Moncton. So we're back on the road, going out of Hempfort.
Granby.
Saan galing yung Hempfort? Anong street? Hepworth, Granby. Ha?
Hepworth.
Walang H. Ay, sorry, kapampangan me. Hepworth, Granby. So we're going out. Driving around. This is the lake. And then may baku-baku din dito. Not only in the Philippines, also here, baku-baku. Okay. Yan, may gasolinahan dito na Irving. Irving, yan. Irving. We've got your lumber. Yes, going out. So we will have our gasoline. Okay. I wanna see how you do it, Bernie. Para kasi dito manual. I mean, sarili mong buhay, walang gasoline boy. So ayan, bababa si Bernie and Ayan to do the gasoline. Uy, ano ba tawag dyan? Replenishment. Yan. So, pipindot-pindot dyan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinipindot nila. Pero that's how they do the... Yan. This is where it is. Who's that? Wayne's World. What's that? Wayne's World. I don't know what it is. Hi, cousin. No, joke lang. Okay. And this is the Shell. So, tinuturoan ni Bernie si Ayan kung paano magpagas. Tama ba ginagawa nyo? I hope tama. Okay. And then they will do the refilling of the gas. Where one stop does it all. How do you pronounce that? Scholten? Is Coltons? Scholtens. I don't know. This is it. They're gonna gas up. Okay. Gas up. Gas up. Oops, it's a success. Nag-gas up na. So, ano, kamusta naman? Medyo mahal ba? Medyo mahal ba? May burger stand doon over there. I don't know what burger is that. Eastbound Burgers. Fish and chips. Order on our app. Okay. Yeah. Nagtatalo ba sila? O nagtatalo sila? Hindi ko alam. Oops, $30 na. Hindi pa siya puno. $30 na talaga. Hindi ka nagpa full tank. Okay. Alright. So that's how you do the refilling of gas here, no? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yes, this is where Bernie works. Yan, dyan, sa likod ng Foodland, which is Tim Hortons. And we're going out of the city. No, we're going out of West Bay? West Grand? Ha? Grand Bay. Kung ano sinasabi ko. But anyway, may bay naman. So, medyo tama na rin. So, ayan, ang mga kalye nila dito. Uphill. Up and down. Alright. Maraming school, no? driving, going to Moncton. Lagi nilang monk. A lot of lake over here. Covers, kamusta ka naman?
Passenger prince mo.
Passenger prince. Yes, wala kang lisensya. Si Ayan muna driver. Nasa Ilocos na tayo. Ayan na ang mga windmill.
That's a sharp looking car. Is that the new Kia K4?
Ayan na ang mga windmills.
Striking LED lights, I stand out wherever
Ilocos
I go.
na.
Looks like there's tons of tech inside.
So much. It even has wireless smartphone charging.
Is the K4 fun to drive?
Definitely. And I get peace of mind.
Diyan kami mag-check in. Lobster shops.
Saan naman?
Yan, lobster deck.
Dito pala ako dapat mag-park.
Hindi ko. Diyan ata sa likod.
Sure ka? Pinoy yun, pupunta sa kainan. Madina mo kasi Philippine.
Ano yung kainan? Ano tawag nito? Ano kaya menu? So, we're coming back to the Sediac because someone forgot her bag. So, on the table, we'll just see if nandun pa siya. Pero from afar, we can see it's still there. So, yung mata na yan, ng mata ng nakalimot, manang-mana sa nanay niya. Oh my God, nandun na kami sa restaurant. Yan, okay. Bababa si Bernie. And then, let's look. Video Bernie while he's taking the bag. Ganda dito, no? Ayun. Tatawa-tawa yung anak kong magaling na nakaiwan ng bag. Tingnan natin. O, susunod natin si Bernie lang ng camera. Ayoko na maglakad papunta doon. This is Shediac in New Brunswick. This is still New Brunswick. I don't know. But this is Shediac. Okay, tingnan natin. Surprise! Makukuha kaya niya ang bag o hindi? Uy! Nakuha niya! Ang bag! Nakuha niya ang bag. Magaling, magaling. Very good. Alright. Sa sobrang lamig, nag-frozen ang utak ng anak ko. Naiwanan niya ang kanyang bag. So, ano masasabi mo, Bernie? Safe? Safe here? Okay. So, ayan. Sermonan mo na. Nakuha po niya ang bag. So, we've been out of this place like 10 minutes ago. Or more than 10 minutes, I think. Congratulations! Yay! Your bag is still safe. Yes, that's the lobster in Sediac. So big, right? So, alis ulit kami dito. Punta na ulit sa restaurant. Yeah. Bye, Big Lobster. See you later. Okay. We're going out again. Going to the restaurant. So, pabalik na ulit kami sa restaurant. Nakuha na namin yung bag niya from the lobster area. Meron silang acoustic night, trivia nights here. Going back to Lobster Deck. Oops, left. May halo-halo dun sa kainan.
Parang nag-take out yung mga Pinoy.
Yes, we're going to the Lobster Deck restaurant. Yes. Walking. Going to the Lobster Deck restaurant in Shedjak. Let's see what we can eat here. Welcome. Close for the season. Oh my gosh.
See you next
See you next. Thank you.
Uy, wala kang camera mo.
Wala akong camera. See you next season. My gosh.
Baka kasi walang lobster.
Walang lobster ngayon. So, ibig pong sabihin nito, walang lobster ngayon.
Parang mapupunta na.
Parang mapupunta tayo sa Filipino restaurant. Doon sa lobster na yun.
Oo. Nakala.
Marami pa yata. Diga, let's try. Let's try other places. May crispy pata rito. Kainan in Shedjak. I think this is...
Sarado talaga sila lahat.
Sarado lahat. Pag winter, pizza, olive cake, style for you and your home.
Walang lobster na nasa dagat kasi siguro. Nilalamig sila.
Nilalamig sila, so walang lobster na mabibili. Oh my gosh. So we're going to the Subway. Oh my God, wala.
Wala.
So Filipino food. We're going to the Filipino food. Filipino food din sa Shedjak. Oh my God, Bernie. Filipino food in Shedjak. Hindi yun o, Shedjak lobster.
Saan?
Tingnan natin yung yun o.
Malipot tayo.
Yung kanina.
Let's lipat.
Let's lipat.
Pag no choice, talagang...
Pag no choice, dito ka talaga mapupunta. Yan po silog. Parang walang ano. 9 AM to 8 PM they're open. Kakaisa man tong lobster deck na to. Beat the summer heat. Oh my gosh. No lobster here.
No lobster in the lobster capital of the world.
I think we tried to the lobster shop. We try lobster shop. Ah?
Sige, tingnan.
Let's see. Ah, baka inside? What's our
Inside
menu?
na.
Oh, sige, baka mayroon pa doon. Try natin. Oh, kunyari nagkamali siya, pupunta lang talaga sa Dollarama. Yan. Kunyari nagkamali ng liko sa highway. Ayun. Ang Pet Baloo. Yes, Pet Baloo. candies. Daming chocolates. Eto. Jakot ka lang. Jakot ka ng jakot. Jakot ka ng jakot. Alin. And we are going back sa pagkakamali. Pet Baloo. And Sally, the girl. Balik na ulit. Checking in at Chateau Moncton with Bernie and Ian. Ang ginaw pa rin dito, grabe. Okay. We're just behind the lake. Pero parang walang tubig. Hi. Inside daw. Checking in. So, we're inside the hotel. Ito yung wallpaper nila. Yan ang kanilang wallpaper. This one is their wallpaper. Yan. So, we're here. Yan. Yes. Dito tayo sa hotel. We're inside the room. So, meron tayong study table. Study table talaga. And then, meron tayo ditong pantry area. And the outside world is the Pet Baloo. Yeah. Yan ang ating outside world. Okay. So, ang laki ng hotel room. Right. We're going to McDonald's.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Bass Pro Drive.
Quesada. Okay, we're here in Champlain. So, bawal mag-Champlain. And then, Walmart, karugtong niya. Kojak. 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 Chat time. What will you eat? Your dream coffee maker.
And we.
Yes.
And mommy. And rice. Naghahanap siya ng microwave. Kasi gusto niya mag-ito. Borrow mo ng chinela. Sama ko kayo.
Okay. Good morning. Breakfast.
Nagsisnow. Kita niyo ba guys?
Welcome to forward pa. Forward pa. Forward pa. Magnetic Hill. Hindi ka pala napindot yung video. Go. Konti, dahan-dahan. Oh, may gift shop. Take out. Work village. Ito yun. Umaatras siya ng paakyat. So, pull over. Yan, pababa siya, diba? And then...
Car in neutral. Patayin, diba?
Pwede mo patayin. Ay, hindi, neutral lang. Hindi, neutral lang.
Sure?
Neutral lang dun.
Sa video, pinatay na rin ako.
Neutral. Tanggalin mo yung preno.
Patayin.
Sige, try mo.
Hindi, wag na wag. Okay na?
Nakatapat. Yeah. Huy, umaatras ka na.
Oh no.
Umaatras ka na. Oh my God. Nang pataas.
Gusto mo mag-break.
Iayos mo yun. Hindi, okay lang. Iayos mo lang yung ano mo. Ang bilis naman nila mag-magnet. Umaatras ng paakyat. So phenomenon. Naka-neutral. Pero umaatras kami ng paakyat. Did it stop?
Yeah, stop.
Did it stop? Wow. Oh, isa pa daw ulit. Itatry naman niya ng patay ang makina. Pero don't put it into park mode. Neutral pa rin kahit patay. Okay. So, dito daw tayo sa white post. May isa pang nakapila?
Hindi, siya ulit.
Siya ulit. Okay. Patayin mo na.
Sige, mo mapatay nung naka-neutral.
Oh my God! Oh, patay yung makina niya na. Umaatras kami ng pataas. Okay. Ang bilis ng magnet. Galing kami sa baba. Ang galing. Wait lang, hintayin mo siyang magpreno ng kusa. Yun o, inakyat niya tayo. Okay. Oh, nice. That's Magnetic Hill.
Turn left toward Front Mountain Road, then turn left. Take the next left toward Front Mountain Road, then turn right.
Lamig. Go. Say hi. Hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vloggeries. So, we're leaving.
Turn right toward Front Mountain Road, then turn left onto Front Mountain
Say hi
Road.
to the vlog.
Head northeast toward Front Mountain Road, then turn left onto Front Mountain Road.
Yan. Tapos na kami sa Miner Hill. Ibon ba yung nasa bubong? Ibon? Mga nasa bubong. pala dito ko tumira eh, Grand Bay. Ikaw na ang Grand Bay. Asan yung work? Kaliwa, kanan? Kaliwa? Ang work. Ayun, ATV.
Trail.
Papunta yun sa mga lake. Ay, kamote. Liso. Dubugbog ka.
Ito yung daan ng bus.
Yan, ang daan. Papunta sa mga ATV. Kanila yun. O nire-rent lang nila.
Meron pang
Pila na.
Talaga pong buso dito yan.
Book.
Lapit na sa bird.
Ayun, parang tanda. Ayun, signage.
Yung riverboat. Kung nakita mo na yung riverboat, malapit na.
Paano pag nawala yung riverboat?
Eh di, wala ka na pala tandaan. Ito na lang, yung ano,
Ayan na.
health and wellness. Ayun na yung Foodland. Ayun na yung ano, church. Thank you, Lord. Yan na yung work nila. Yan. The Foodland. Ayan. Pizza Delight. O, tingnan mo yung nilalakad dati ni Bernie, eto yon. So, how many kilometers to? Wala, hindi natin makita sa maps. Ito, yung nilalakad niya ng may yellow. Ayan.
Hindi yung bahay niya.
Dito kami nagkarga ng gas kahapon. Yan. Yan, merong ano. Papagas tayo ulit. Papagas tayo ulit. Sa paglalakad ni Bernie, naka 200 meters na palang lampas sa Shell.
Diyan ka nag-part 2. Ay, ito na yung part 3. Uy, mga tayo sugar.
Sabado daw.
Bukas.
Pantry mo yung... Ayaw niya na iyash.
Bukas. Tapos go siguro.
Ano yun? Bukas merong ano?
Yung libreng damit.
She likes everyone. Ganda ng lugar nila. Bakit naman hindi kumuha ng malapit-lapit doon yung boss mo?
Ano po? Wala na pong mahanap.
Wala na mahanap.
14.
Kaya yung tatlong Pinay po din namin kasabay eh. Dapat kabatch po namin talaga yun. Eh wala pong mahanap na bahay. Kaya kaming dalawa po yung inuna.
Kaya kayo inuna?
Oo.
Grabe naman yung 40. Narinig ka sa vlog.
Ano daw?
Sabi niya, pwede mo naman bilisan, wala naman pulis. Okay, we're here.
Ayan yung Riles San Tren. Hindi naman natin napuntahan yung katapat nilang ilog. Ayun yung bahay nila.
Tingnan niya natin yung bahay nila.
Ayun yung bahay nila, pero lumigo pa dito si Ayen. Bahay ng mga girls.
Grabe, ang layo pa rin ng lalakadan nila.
Papasok. Ay, oo nga.
Left?
Kayo dun na huminto. Tapos sila dito pa. Kawawa naman. Araw-araw din pumapasok na naglalakad yun.
Oo. Tapos, malayo pa. Saan?
Sa dulong block pa.
Yan.
Oo.
6-3 ba? Tapos yun yung unang bentana. Ay, ito may tao.
Sino?
Si Chiki ah. Doon sila.
Doon pa. Kawawa naman sila.